I have been thinking long and hard. Don't even go there with me. But I have been thinking long and hard about things that I can implement to bring to you to help my viewers and my subscribers. Everybody who asks me for advice deserves the best tailored, dedicated one-to-one advice for them personally. And I have been thinking about ways that I can do this for you and bring something to you that's going to be very helpful and beneficial, because we're all about benefit over here. One of the new services I'm implementing are consultations, and there are two types of consultations: telephone consultations and also in-person consultations. London based only for in-person, of course, because I'm in London. If you would like to book a dedicated one-to-one consultation with me, then go into the description box and you'll see an email address, and you email me through there to book a consultation with me. I have also launched my Patreon, which is super exciting, and shout out to you, Anna. She's my first patron, okay? And I really appreciate her. So thank you so much, Anna. And we're going to have some fun. If you ladies would like to join Anna, then the link to my Patreon is in the description box. There's definitely a tier for everybody. I put a lot of time and thought into what I'm offering for those tiers, and I'm very happy about the Patreon. So yes, I would love to have you ladies over there. But again, thank you, Anna. You're the first one and I won't forget that. So thank you, Anna. The Patreon is going to be super juicy, and I'll actually show you a sneak peek of one of the exclusive bonus videos. If you like the look of that kind of content, then head over to my Patreon and sign up, choose a tier. I have also launched ZIVA'S Femininity group, and this is a private Facebook group. And just a little disclaimer, there is a one-off subscription entry fee for this group, and this is just to eliminate members joining who, you know, their hearts just aren't in the right place. So we want to have the right energy in this group. This is a group for upliftment and encouragement, and to inspire one another, and of course to network with like-minded women. Lots of us who are on particular journeys, you know, the femininity journeys, the glow-up journeys, dating differently, beneficial dating. You lose your friends, okay? They fall off to the wayside, and lots of you feel like you would like to have like-minded women around you. I would like to provide that platform for that to happen, seeing as I have been asked umpteen times for some kind of group like this. If you'd like to join my femininity group, then go into the description box and send me an email, and in the title put your Facebook name and Facebook group request. Put that in the title for me, please, because it helps me to prioritize, you know, my emails. I have had over 20 requests for, you know, women wanting to join the group, but I am not computer literate. Okay, I'm not tech savvy, and I don't know what I've done in terms of the messenger, but nobody is actually receiving my instructions for you to gain access into the group. So the easiest way to move forward, even if you've already sent me a request to get into the group, then just drop me an email, put your Facebook name, and also write Facebook group request in the title. We'll figure out the subscription fee, and then I will add you into the group and we can have some fun and really bounce off of each other. I'm going to love you ladies and leave you here, and if you're on my other platforms, if you're on my Patreon, if you're booking a consultation, or if you're entering into the group, or perhaps you're on my Instagram, then I'll see you over on my other platforms. But if not, ladies, I'm going to love you and leave you here, and I'll see you in my next video.